Hello and welcome. And as you see, we're going to give you what? Happy Valentine's Day. I just wanted to do a quick little talk to those who feel kind of lonely on this day when they don't have a mate, or if they feel like they're lonely and they're having, feeling empty. And actually, you should see it as a blessing to be where you are today, possibly without a mate. And I want to talk about that for a minute as to why it's exciting to be single. Sometimes it's exciting to wait. So I just want to talk. I'm gonna give you a few what I think what's going on as far as why we're single and why we wait. And then I'm gonna give you some ideas and solutions to be and enjoy this day, because it doesn't matter, right? If you're with someone or not. It's just another day. It's a wonderful day to be loved by someone, right? And they had to find a commercial day to make you feel good and to find a way to get men out, get women out, and to get you together to do something versus just being mentally strong enough to be there for a mate, right? So I'm just gonna give you some help getting you through with it. Okay, so thank you for being a part. In the link in the description, I am offering you to talk with me. I'm doing coaching and consulting and helping you through whatever you experiences to find love. If you want to enhance the love, if you are single and want to talk about why you're having these issues, any type of issue, it could be depression, it could be loneliness, or you just want to talk. I offer 30 minutes talks. Just check the link in the description and you can reach out and set up anytime you want to, and let's talk, okay? So I wanted to offer that to you, and this is why I do what I do, because I love helping people with relationships, even just with self, and being happy in the zone and place that we're in, okay? So I just want to talk about, how do you deal with your thinking that you're lonely? And here's my thing. Loneliness is just a moment. It's just a moment. You're just in a place, in a situation for a moment. And if you understand that it's just a moment, it's easier to navigate through looking for a mate that can make you happy, that can fulfill your emptiness, your needs, your desires, if you just know that it's just for a moment. See, there's nothing wrong with being single. You're just single for a moment. Don't fear being by yourself. Don't fear, why me? Don't fear, I can't do the things I want to do. You can. You just at a place and a time for a moment. Other people sometimes feel happy to be single. They so ready to get over, they don't know what to do. They want to get out of the relationship they in, and they ready to be single. But then our single people so ready and hurry up want to be married and be with somebody. So the whole thing about shooting that loneliness out is you got to be happy with self. And I'm not saying you're not. I'm saying just be happy with self. Be grateful for where you are right now. And that's to be able to, see and live and do the things that you like, without questioning. And I'm not saying all relationships are going to be that way, that they're going to question you, but it happens. If you're not where somebody think you ought to be, right, then they want to question where you are. Some people don't like that. So being single sometimes is greater than being in a relationship. Now, sometimes you get those fears of loneliness, and you feel that you're unhappy. I say Stay happy, be happy, and get ready to be even more happier. Is it being with somebody, or is it doing what you really like doing? That's what single life is all about. Even when you are in a relationship, you're supposed to be happy and excited. You should always feel stress-free, and you should be smiling no matter what. So even if you don't have a relationship at that moment, maybe that's not what you're supposed to be doing anyway. Maybe it's not the time. So when you're waiting on that time, just look at what it is that you need to do, that you need to work on. If there is issues with you, work on them. But if there's not, just enjoy self. Now, here's my solution to when you're feeling down and feeling some kind of way. I say, do things that's going to make you laugh. Do things that's going to keep you smiling and keep you happy. And what does that involve? It involves a lot of things, but I'll give you a few things. There's nothing wrong with going out by yourself. There's nothing wrong with having dinner by yourself. There's nothing wrong with watching a movie by yourself. There's nothing. It's to me, it's a form of stress-free. Because I'm not saying that the person that you're with is going to stress you. What I'm saying is when you are in the moment of self, you're taking the time to understand what works for you and what you like and what makes you happy. And being single sometime help you grow. It help you see you. It help you realize what you really truly like. So when you do go out there and meet someone, you realize that's not who I want. You know, that's what I thought, but that's not who I really want. And so it's okay, because at that moment, the moment that you are in this space, joy is what you want, is what you bring into your life. But what happens is you're going to bring the absolute love to you. See, most of the time, you'll meet the person that you should probably really be with when you have taken a break and the time for yourself. Because when you take a break for a time for yourself, you really pay attention to what makes you feel good. Because you begin to do things that makes you happy, right? You go places, you do things, you get out, you're laughing more, you're talking more, you're doing more interesting things. And I'm not saying, again, people, I'm not saying it doesn't happen with a mate. What I'm saying is you're recognizing more of what you really truly want to do, what really makes you happy. So my whole solution to this is you've got to do things that makes you happy. Go find and do things that you normally wouldn't do. Just go do it. Try it this one time. If you never roller skated, go roller skate. If you never rock climb, go rock climb. If you never volunteered, go volunteer. You know, if you just want to be with a friend that you normally don't go out with, who don't have anybody, go out. Get the girls together. Get the guys together. You know, just get together and laugh and have fun about just enjoying another day. Why can't you just enjoy another day? And why not even just do it by yourself, where you just enjoy your home and you're relaxed and you're enjoying the evening and you're enjoying just simple music. So I just want you to remember that you're never alone. It's just a moment. It's just a moment. So I hope that the information I gave you helped you. Again, if you need to talk and want to talk, the link in the description is there for you to reach out, set up. I'd love to have a conversation with you, talk to you with anything you'd like to talk about. Okay? So you've been with the Love Doctor, Pamela Smith. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Have an awesome evening. And I look so forward to seeing you again on my future talks. Take care.